Hi friends, I am Sajid here. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll be doing the tips and tricks on the lock screen in the Poco X3 device. As you can see here friends, so recently I started to do this kind of tips and tricks in the Poco X3 device bit by bit. I did cover so many features as well in this mobile phone. So in today's video, I'll be especially focusing only on the lock screen options. What are the things you need to know and what are the options you should be definitely enabling once you get this mobile phone. So I'll try to cover another video which includes 5 important tips and tricks you can try in the Poco X3 device. So which will be the combination of everything. So right now I'll just want to focus only on the lock screen settings. So basically friends, my tips and trick videos will be in-depth reviews so that you can get everything about the tips and tricks. So that's why I'm trying to cover bit by bit. So if you think there are so many videos, but it's definitely helpful for so many users who can actually understand everything properly. So right now in the lock screen, you can find that option in the settings. So once you've done that, so first option you will be welcome with this kind of sleep mode, as you can see here friends. So usually in the initial it will be around 15 seconds. So for every 15 seconds the phone will get locked. So after 15 seconds the screen will become a little bit kind of low. As you can see here, the screen becomes low, and then after close to 5 to 10 seconds the phone will automatically get locked. So usually I won't prefer to use the 15 seconds. I'll use close to 10 minutes of sleep time. The reason, because whenever I make videos I do want the phone to be continuously turned on when I'm talking. So that's why I prefer to use the 10 minutes. So it's up to you which time you want to select. And next option is the rise to wake. So this is another best advantage friends. In nowadays we are getting this kind of option enabled in the smartphone, which is very good. So for example, if you keep your phone on the table and whenever you lift your phone, the phone screen will be turned on, as you can see. So in I think before 3 or 4 years ago, I still remember that there used to be a problem with the power button if you press so many times. But by using this kind of tips and tricks in nowadays smartphones, actually you no need to press even the power button at all. So without pressing the power button, you can open the screen. As you can see friends, even when scanning the fingerprint also, you don't even need to press the power button. That is the best advantage. So even the third option is that double tap to wake and turn off the screen. So that is another good feature which I like, as you can see here. So you can double tap to wake and turn off the phone as well, as you can see. So this is the best another way to use not to use this power button every time. So definitely friends, for the long time durability, if you are trying to use the mobile phone, try to enable these options must. So the number of times you are pressing the power button will decrease, and definitely you can use for the next 2 to 3 years without having any problem with the power button. So next is that I forgot to mention is that even in the home screen, when you double tap, the phone will get locked, as you can see friends. So that's a good advantage here. Whenever double tap, the phone will get locked, and double tap to unlock. And let me go to the second option. Next is that wake lock screen for the notifications. For example, when your phone is in ideal state and if you get any WhatsApp messages, the phone will get light up. So that is how you can get to know that you got a notification. That's a good advantage. I'll prefer to enable that option. So next is that glance of the MI. So usually I will let it turn off. The reason is that because usually I'll see this kind of different images coming from the internet. So let me try to turn on and show to you right now. So there's an option to select the gallery images as well. So I'll try to explain. As you can see, this is an image which I got from the online. So these are the advertising images I do get if you turn on this option. So but I did like one particular option, which is a gallery photos. So you can actually add up to 4 images only. So that is another drawback here. I wish I could have added so many images. So every day, every time I try to unlock, I used to get different images. That I like that kind of thing, but the images are limited to only 4 images. So that's another drawback here. But next is that frequency of the gallery. The only problem is that you cannot turn off this online images if you want this gallery. So both will get mixed. You will get this kind of online images and the gallery images as well. As you can see, this is an online image, and next one will be the gallery image. As you can see, So here you can change the frequency of the gallery image as well. So I'll prefer to use for every second image, at least I'll be welcomed with my own gallery image instead of online photos. So let me try to show you right now. As you can see, this is my gallery image which I selected, and let me try to open again. So while I'm pressing power button, here there is an option of double tap, as you can see. So now I should be welcome with the gallery image. Next, again, internet image, as you can see, friends. So this is how you can tune here the way you want. So this is another hidden feature as well. If you want, you can enable. So I prefer to disable this option, updating the wallpapers, which I don't need at all. Showing a quick button on the lock screen, even I don't like that button as well. So next is that lock screen clock format as well. So you can actually select what type of lock screen format you want. As you can see, friends, there are different options you can choose from. There are only 4 options, but there is also another option of adding the lock screen owner info as well. So as you can see, friends, so usually some people, they'll try to add another phone number or something in case the phone get lost. So this is how you can keep the name as well, as you can see here. So it looks pretty good in terms of customizing the lock screen as well. And next is that another thing, launching the camera as well. So when the phone is in lock, you can actually double press the power button, down button, and then the camera application will be directly open. As you can see, friends, it took some time, but still it does its job. Let me try to demonstrate again. It takes, I think, 5 seconds. So let me try to do it again. So you need to be a little bit kind of quick in terms of pressing the power button. Yes. As you can see, there's a little bit of delay. So let me try it again. Yes. As you can see, friends. So that is another option. If you want, you can enable that. Next is a pocket mode. So usually even I'll try to prefer this option enabled, because sometimes when you place your phone in the pocket, because of the mistouch problem, it happens in every phone when you place your phone in the pocket. So you can enable this mode. So if you enable this mode, is what will happen is that whenever the proximity sensor is covered and everything is covered, the phone will not try to turn on, like lock screen will not try to turn on. That is another advantage of using this pocket mode in the POCO X3 device. So definitely you can prefer to turn it on, this option. So I'm trying to cover each and every in-depth option and tips and tricks, so making you aware that there are so many other features apart from just calling and texting and playing games. So you should know what are the different features available in the POCO X3 device. So that's why I'm doing plenty of videos on the tips and tricks on the POCO X3 device. So make sure to follow regularly my channel, and also do not forget to check the POCO X3 playlist as well, so which will be very useful in case if you're planning to buy, or if you're already bought the POCO X3 device. So you can keep touch in with the playlist, so there you can find this kind of so many videos. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.